Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into the world of automation using Zapier, a powerful tool that connects your favorite apps and streamlines your workflow. If you're new to automation, don't worry. This beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the basics and help you get started. Zapier works by linking apps through automated workflows called Zaps. Each Zap consists of two parts, a trigger and an action. A trigger is an event in one app that starts the workflow, while the action is the task performed in another app as a result. For example, when you receive a new email, Zapier can automatically save the attachment to Google Drive. To begin, head over to zapier.com, https://zapier.com, and create an account. Once logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can explore thousands of pre-built integrations or create your own Zap from scratch. Here's how to create a Zap. 1. Click the Create Zap button. 2. Choose your trigger app and set up the event that will start the automation, like receiving an email in Gmail. 3. Next, select your action app and decide what tasks Zapier should perform, such as saving the email to a Trello board or sending a Slack notification. 4. Customize the settings and test your Zap to ensure everything works smoothly. Zapier connects with over 5,000 apps, including popular ones like Slack, Google Sheets, MailChimp, and more. Whether you want to automate repetitive tasks, schedule posts, or organize data, there's a Zap for almost everything. The best part? You don't need to know any coding. Zapier's user-friendly interface makes it simple to set up even complex workflows in minutes. That's all for today's video. If you're ready to save time and increase productivity, start experimenting with Zapier today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Zap ideas in the comments below. See you in the next video.